Hello YouTube, Triumph Guy here today, and I'm going to be replacing the rear brake and tail light on this Audi Q7. So let's get to it. So depending on which bulb's gone, you need to remove this cover or this cover. In this case, it's the outer one, so we need to remove this cover. Now that came off very easily, but as you can see, that's where the point is it's stuck on, and normally you have to get a little pry in to do it, but that came off really easy. Now I know the angle is a bit weird on the phone, but it's the highest one you want because the other one's indicating. You just literally twist and pull down. These have then got a bayonet fitting in, which means you push in, twist, pull out like that. The issue with this bulb is this bottom bit's all melted, so we're gonna have to clean the inside here as well. So get your new bulb, okay? On the front bulbs, it's advised not to touch the glass, but on these bulbs, they don't really get too hot, so it should be all right. So just put it in and then twist it. I'm gonna put this back in now. Again, it's sort of a twist and push. See the little teeth in there. Just flip the cover. Now I have got loads of videos on this Q7, so if you own one, I'd strongly suggest giving it a like and subscribe. You'll see lots of videos